If you use Safari on your iPhone, stop what you're doing right now. Safari has settings that are exposing everything you do online, every search you make, every website you visit, all of it. And there are multiple settings sending your data to companies, tracking your location, and storing massive amounts of information on your phone. I'm going to show you exactly which settings to change and why each one matters. This takes about 5 minutes. Let's go. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Safari. You'll see several sections here. We're going to fix the most important ones. Stay with me. First section. Scroll down to Search. Right there. Search Engine Suggestions. Here's what this does. Every single word you type in the search bar gets sent to Google or Bing immediately, even before you hit search. That means they're watching everything you type in real time. Every health question, every private search, everything. That's a direct leak of your activity. Turn it off. Make sure the toggle is gray. Right below that, Safari Suggestions. This one is similar, but it sends everything you type to Apple instead. Apple wants to suggest websites to you, but to do that, they need to see what you're typing. So everything you search for goes to their servers before you even finish typing. That's also a form of tracking your activity. Turn this off too. Let your searches work normally without sending data to Apple's servers. Your keystrokes are private now. Nobody's watching what you type anymore. Next, scroll back up to Privacy and Security at the top. First setting here. Prevent cross-site tracking. Make sure this is turned on. The toggle should be green. Here's why this matters. Without this feature, websites can track you across other sites. For example, if you visit a shopping site and look at shoes, that same website can know that you later watched a video on YouTube or opened Facebook. They follow you around the internet. This setting prevents that. Websites can only see what you do on their site, not everywhere else you go. Right below that, Hide IP Address. Tap on it. Select Trackers and Websites. Your IP address is like your digital fingerprint. Any site you visit can use it to know your approximate location, the network you're on, and even your city or country. When you enable this option, Safari hides your IP address from advertisers and tracking companies. It's like wearing a mask while browsing. They can't see who you are or where you are anymore. Scroll down a bit. Fraudulent Website Warning. Make sure this stays on. This feature warns you if a website you're visiting is trying to steal your data or is a fake version of a real site, like fake bank pages or fake Gmail login screens. Apple constantly updates this database to protect users from scams. You want this on. All right, now scroll down to the section that says Clear History and Website Data. Tap on it. Tap Clear History and Data to confirm. This deletes your browsing history, all the cookies websites stored, and cache that may contain old data. It's an essential step, especially if you bought a used iPhone or shared your device with someone before. Even if you haven't, there's probably months of tracking data sitting there right now. Do this step every week or two to keep Safari light, fast, and private. Next, scroll down all the way to Advanced at the bottom. Tap on it. Now tap Website Data. Look at this. Here you'll see all the websites that store data on your device. Scroll through this list. Some of them may have large or unnecessary files, hundreds of megabytes just sitting there. If you find a suspicious site, or one you don't remember visiting, or even if you recognize all of them, this is tracking data slowing down your phone. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Tap Remove All Website Data. Tap Remove Now to confirm. This resets everything and restores your browsing speed. All that tracking data is completely gone. Your phone just got faster too. All right, go back to the main Safari settings. Now scroll down and look for Settings for Websites. Tap on it. First one, Camera. Tap on it. Set this to Ask instead of Allow. This means whenever a website tries to use your camera, Safari will ask for your permission first. This prevents any site from using your camera without your knowledge. No website can secretly turn it on. Go back. Now tap Microphone. Set this to Ask as well. Same thing. Safari will ask you before any website can access your microphone. No site can listen without you knowing. Go back one more time. Tap Location. Set this to Ask. Now, whenever a website wants to know your location, Safari asks you first. You control which sites can see where you are. Most sites don't need your location anyway. Last thing, go back to the main Safari settings and scroll down to Downloads. Tap on it. Change this from iCloud Drive to On My iPhone. This makes your downloads save directly on your iPhone instead of uploading them to iCloud. It protects your privacy and also avoids wasting your cloud storage space on downloads. That's it. 7 settings fixed. Safari can't expose you anymore. Your searches are completely private. Websites can't track you across the internet. Your IP address is hidden. All that old tracking data is deleted. And no website can access your camera, microphone, or location without asking you first. Your browsing is finally private and secure. If this just saved your privacy, hit that subscribe button because tomorrow I'm exposing what Instagram is recording on your iPhone without you knowing. It's even worse than this. See you in the next video.